You need to hear this if you're a CVT owner. Neglecting your transmission could destroy your car and your wallet. CVT transmissions feel smooth and effortless, but there's a hidden risk under your hood. CVTs are sensitive and expensive to fix. Ignore maintenance, and you could face a repair bill worth more than your car. The biggest mistake? Skipping fluid changes. Lifetime fluid is a myth. Old fluid can't protect your transmission. By the time you notice symptoms, it's often too late. Stick to your maintenance schedule. Early regular fluid changes are the key to a long-lasting CVT. Take care of your CVT now, and it'll take care of you for years to come. Why is 30,000 miles the magic number for your CVT? It's the point when your transmission has shed the most metal particles, turning your fluid into abrasive sludge. If you don't change the fluid now, that grit keeps circulating, wearing down your transmission fast. Lifetime fluid really means good enough for the warranty. After that, repairs are on you. Fresh fluid at 30,000 miles removes harmful debris, keeps your CVT cool, clean, and running strong. Skip this step, and you risk early wear breakdowns and big repair bills. Change your CVT fluid at 30,000 miles. Your car and your wallet will thank you. The real enemy? Microscopic metal particles inside your CVT. The steel belt and pulleys create friction, especially early on, shaving off tiny metal bits. This metal dust circulates in your fluid, grinding away at every moving part. It gets into the valve body, the transmission's brain, causing sticky valves and shifting problems. Your CVT has magnets and filters, but they can't catch everything. Over time, the fluid becomes saturated, the filter clogs, and the magnet maxes out. Restricted fluid flow leads to overheating and catastrophic failure. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. A vicious cycle of wear. One day, your CVT feels fine. The next, it fails. The damage was building up all along. That's why regular fluid changes are critical. Don't let invisible grit destroy your transmission. Stay ahead of the silent killer. Change the fluid. Break the cycle. Protect your CVT from the inside out. Prevention is simple. Neglect is expensive. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Ready to save your CVT and extend its life? Here's how you can easily do a drain and fill at home, even if you're not a professional mechanic. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and get it level. Use 4 jack stands for both safety and accuracy. This step is crucial for getting an accurate fluid level. Next, locate the transmission drain plug underneath your vehicle and place a clean drain pan directly below it to catch the old fluid. Carefully loosen the plug and let the old transmission fluid drain out completely. Be patient. Let gravity do its work so you get as much old fluid out as possible. While the fluid drains, inspect the drain plug magnet for any metal sludge or shavings. Wipe it clean. This helps you spot early signs of wear inside your transmission. Measure exactly how much fluid came out using marked containers or a measuring jug. This ensures you'll add back the correct amount and avoid overfilling or underfilling. Once the old fluid is out, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely, but don't over-tighten, just snug enough to prevent leaks. Now, find the fill plug or dipstick tube. Using a long funnel, pour in the same amount of new, manufacturer-specific CVT fluid. Always use the fluid recommended for your vehicle. This method avoids complicated level checks and keeps things simple, making it perfect for DIYers who want to maintain their car without special tools. You won't replace all the fluid in one go, but you'll refresh a significant portion, which helps keep your transmission running smoothly. Repeat this process every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, or as recommended by your owner's manual, to keep your fluid clean and your transmission healthy. No fancy tools required, just care, patience, and precision. Don't guess, always measure for best results. Cleanliness and accuracy are key. Wipe down your tools and work area to prevent contamination. Regular drain and fills keep your CVT healthy, reduce wear, and can help you avoid costly repairs down the road. It's basic maintenance anyone can do with a little time and attention. Protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind with just a bit of effort. Your transmission will thank you with smoother, more reliable performance for years to come. Details matter, especially fluid choice. Always use the exact CVT fluid specified by your car's manufacturer. Universal fluids can cause slipping, shuttering, or even total failure. Spend a little more for the right fluid. It's cheap insurance. After refilling, start the car and cycle through all gears to circulate the new fluid. Pause in each gear for a few seconds to purge air. For advanced DIYers, check the fluid at the correct temperature using an OBD2 scanner. Fluid expands with heat, so level checks must be precise. Follow the manufacturer's temperature specs for accuracy. A small trickle from the check plug means it's full. Too much or too little fluid can cause problems. Don't cut corners. Do it right. The right fluid and level are critical for CVT health. Let's talk money, because when it comes to car care, Every dollar counts. A DIY CVT fluid change costs about $200, fluid, tools, and maybe jack stands, all included. Compare that to a $5,000, $9,000 bill for a new transmission if you neglect maintenance entirely. $200 now, or thousands later. It's an easy choice to make. Regular service means your CVT could last well over 200,000 miles. Ignore it, and you'll be searching forums for CVT failure solutions and desperate fixes. Avoid full flushes. High-pressure machines can do more harm than good to your transmission. Stick to simple drain and fills for safe, effective, and reliable maintenance. Protect your wallet and your car for the long haul. Don't gamble with your transmission's future or your peace of mind. Maintenance is an investment, not just an expense you can ignore. 40 fluid changes cost less than one replacement. Think about that. Be smart. Service your CVT before it's too late. The choice is truly yours. Don't be penny-wise and pound-foolish. Your car and wallet will thank you. Here's your action plan for a healthy CVT. First service at or before 30,000 miles. Don't skip it. After that, change the fluid every 30,000 miles for normal driving. If you drive in severe conditions, lots of city traffic, heat, towing, change it every 20,000, 25,000 miles. Stick to the schedule and use only manufacturer-approved fluid. Regular drain and fills prevent catastrophic failure. Don't let marketing myths fool you. Maintenance is simple and effective. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, find a trusted mechanic and specify a drain and fill with the right fluid. Take charge of your car's future. Protect your transmission and your wallet. Keep your car on the road, not in the shop. Now you know what to do. Act before it's too late. Save your CVT and drive with confidence.